Welcome to Alp Galip Travels and this ultimate Ribeauville travel guide with everything you need to know before visiting. In this video, I'll cover the best places to visit in Ribeauville Old Town, a simple itinerary, travel tips, local food, and an exact budget. By the end of this video, you'll be fully ready to visit Ribeauville, and you can ask me your questions in the comments. You'll also find the best deals to visit Ribeauville through the links in my description. Ribeauville is best known for its medieval old town, colorful half-timbered houses, and strong wine culture. It is located in Alsace, France, between Colmar and Strasbourg, along the famous Alsace Wine Route. Visitors can enjoy historic streets, castle views, local wines, and a relaxed Alsace village atmosphere. Most visitors come to Ribeauville as a day trip from Colmar, Strasbourg, or nearby areas. The old town is small and can be explored on foot in about 2 hours. However, staying 1 or 2 nights lets you feel the medieval atmosphere in a much more authentic way. For a detailed Alsace region travel itinerary, please wait for my upcoming videos. Grand Rue is the heart of Ribeauville, where you walk through colorful medieval houses, small shops, and lively cafes. Place de la Première Armée is a charming central square and a great spot to feel the local village atmosphere. Maison Jeanne d'Arc is a historic building connected to local legends and can be admired from the outside. Chapelle Sainte-Catherine is a small chapel, and entry may require a small fee depending on visiting hours. Plaza del Hospital is a quiet square that shows another calm side of the old town. Place de l'Hôtel de Ville is one of the prettiest spots, surrounded by historic facades. Mairie de Ribeauvillé is the town hall and an important landmark of local life. Église de la Providence de Ribeauvillé is a church, and entrance is usually free, though donations may be requested. Tour de Bouchesse is a medieval tower that reflects the town's defensive history and can be viewed from outside. Place de la Cine is a relaxed square, perfect for a short break during your walk. You can find the best deals to visit these places through the links in my description, and for a detailed guide to the best places to visit in Ribeauville, please wait for my upcoming videos. Stroll along the historic streets and enjoy the relaxed Alsace village atmosphere. Join a wine tasting at local wineries, especially popular along the Alsace Wine Route. Photograph the colorful facades and medieval details throughout the old town. Shop for linen, handmade items, and local goods in small family-run boutiques. Discover local Alsace beers at a cozy bar in the evening. Enjoy the Ribeauville Christmas Market during the Christmas season, usually from late November to December. Photograph scenic squares like Place de la Cine and Place de la République at different times of day. Enjoy traditional Alsace cuisine in local winstubs and cafes, known for hearty regional dishes. Visit medieval architecture such as Maison des Ménétriers, which reflects the town's rich history. Take a guided tour to learn more about Ribeauville's past, wine culture, and local legends. You can find the best deals for activity offers through the links in my description. And for a detailed guide to the best things to do in Ribeauville, please wait for my upcoming videos. The closest international airports are Strasbourg and Basel, with easy train connections to Colmar. From Colmar, you can reach Ribeauville by regional bus, local shuttle or taxi, rental car, private car, guided tours, bicycle or rideshare services. Ribeauville is best explored on foot thanks to its compact old town. You can also use bicycles, e-bikes, local taxis or Uber-style services, as well as private or rental cars if needed. The best places to stay are inside the old town or close to the vineyards for a quiet village feel. Budget travelers can find small guest houses and simple hotels, especially just outside the center. Mid-range options include charming boutique hotels and family-run stays, while luxury travelers can choose elegant hotels with wine views and historic buildings. You can find the best deals for accommodation options through the links in my description below. Ribeauville is more affordable than major European cities like Paris, London, or Rome. A typical meal costs around €15.25, while hotels are usually cheaper than big city prices. On average, most travelers spend about 80 euros, 120 per day, including food, accommodation, and local transport. Ribeauville offers good budget travel options, especially for short stays or day trips. Bakeries, casual cafes, and guest houses help keep daily costs low, and public transportation in the village itself is free because everything is walkable. Budget travelers can comfortably spend around 50 euros, 70 per day, including meals and basic accommodation. Ribeauville is known for traditional Alsace dishes like tarte flambée, choucroute, and local sausages. You'll also find vegan options, fine dining restaurants, cozy windstubs, and simple street food style snacks. You can find good deals for food and tasting tours through the links in my description. Popular souvenirs include Alsace wine, handmade ceramics, linens, spices, and local food products. Small shops sell authentic handicrafts and great gifts that reflect the Alsace region. Bargaining is not common as prices are usually fixed and fair. Nightlife in Ribeauville is calm and relaxed rather than loud or party-focused. Evenings are best spent at wine bars, cozy pubs, or traditional restaurants. The atmosphere is perfect for slow dinners, local wine, and quiet village walks. Ribeauville Christmas markets are famous for their medieval theme and festive atmosphere. The village fills with lights, decorations, music, and traditional stalls during the Christmas season. It is one of the most atmospheric Alsace Christmas experiences, especially in the evening. Plan to spend half a day for a quick visit or 1 to 2 nights for a deeper and more authentic experience. Wear comfortable walking shoes as the cobblestone streets are best explored on foot. Ribeauville is very safe, but it's always smart to watch your belongings in crowded areas. Locals value politeness, calm behavior, and simple greetings in shops and cafes. The best time to visit is from late spring to early autumn, when the weather is mild and pleasant. December is also special thanks to the Ribeauville Christmas Market and festive Alsace Christmas atmosphere. The currency is the euro, the main language is French, and most travelers do not need a visa for short stays in France. Tipping is not expected, but rounding up the bill or leaving small change is appreciated. For mobile internet, Yesim is a reliable option, and you can find a special price for my viewers through the links below. Useful apps include Google Maps, Google Translate, and regional transport or train apps for Alsace. A common mistake is rushing through the village without staying long enough to enjoy its calm evening atmosphere. Overall, Ribeauville is absolutely worth visiting, and it feels even more charming in real life than in photos. I highly recommend it to couples, families, solo travelers, history lovers, wine fans, and especially photographers. What I liked most was the medieval atmosphere and calm evenings, while the only downside was how busy it can get during peak hours. My honest advice is to arrive early or stay overnight to experience Ribeauville at its most peaceful. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube videos for more travel guides like this. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments here or on my YouTube videos. I'll be happy to reply and help you plan your trip.